So this video is going to be slightly different from what I normally do. I bought a set of power tools and I needed a way to justify my purchase by building something. And I thought, why not build a workbench since I'm probably going to need that to use those power tools. Now, this isn't an instructional video on how to build the workbench, neither is it a review of all the tools I bought. In fact, this whole build only used 2 out of the 5 tools that came in my purchase. There's not even any dialogue in this video. All you really hear is the satisfying sound of a circular saw cutting through some lumber and an impact driver fastening some screws. So I hope you enjoy this video and let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this type of videos. Treated cutter. If you're interested in building this for yourself, I'm going to link the original video that I followed by someone named Johnny Builds. He does a great job in explaining all the steps. He even provides a PDF of the plan itself, so it makes it really easy to follow. Now, one thing I would mention is that in the instructions, it says that you would need 5 2x4s, but in my experience, I needed 6. I did have to make a trip to Home Depot to get one extra. Now, that might be because of the way that I cut my pieces, but it might be better safe to just get 6. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more of these DIY type of videos. I do quite a bit of work around the house, so if you're interested in seeing them, let me know and I can make videos about them. As always, stay safe and I'll see you again on the next one.